So guys, hello. Today we study fractions. Fractions shows a part of whole. It is either object or collection of objects. In this rectangle, or you can say any object like cardboard, there is this is the part, whole part. This is the whole part. If we draw a line here, then what part is it? It is called, ये आपका कौन सा पार्ट कहेगा, यानी कि आप ये होल है, आपका होल हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं 1 से. आपको मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि दिस वन होल रेक्टेंगल इज शोज द होल पार्ट इज 1. तो ये वाला पार्ट हमने इक्वली डिवाइड किया है 2 पार्ट्स में. तो दिस पार्ट इज 1/2 and this part is 1/2. That means if we shade this one, then what is the fraction for shaded part? 1/2. Take another example. In this circle there are 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. If we shade this part, then what is the fraction of this? Firstly we write down the whole, 1 2 3 4 4 parts, and shaded part is 1. If we write unshaded part fraction, then this is 1 2 3. Take another example. There is a square, and if we colored these parts, then what is the fraction of shaded part? Now we have 1 2 3 4 5, and total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then the fraction of this shaded part of this square is 5/9. Take another example. This is a triangle, and we equally divide in 3 parts, and we colored it this part. Then what is the fraction of shaded part? 1 2 3. And shaded part is 1. That is 1/3. Now there equivalent fractions वो होते हैं जिनके हम सेम से मल्टीप्लिकेशन के, जैसे मल्टीप्लाई हम करते हैं 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, वैसे ही यहाँ पे हम 2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस होंगे हमारे. 2/5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 10. Then next is 2/5 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, then 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Then 2 equivalent fractions are 4/10 and 6/15. And take another example, 3/4. 2 equivalent examples of 3/4 is 3/4 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 equals to 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8. And the second equivalent is 3/4 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Then the 2 equivalent fractions are 6/8 and 9/12. And if you want to write 4 equivalent fractions of each, then you have to multiply by 2. 2 and 3 हो गया है, then आप multiply by 4 multiply by 5. You can take out more equivalent fractions of each. Now reduce 15/20 to its lowest form. How do we reduce 15/20? कैसे reduce करेंगे? Or you can say in a simple form or simplest form or reduce same. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि 15 and 20 both are divided by 5. तो we can divide both. 5 3s are 5 4s are. बट वी कैन नॉट डिवाइड डिफरेंट कि 4 से ये डिवाइड कर दिया, 3 से ये डिवाइड कर दिया. दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट वे. आपको एक ही नंबर से दोनों डिवाइड करने हैं. 3/4. टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, 12/18. अब यू कैन सी हेयर 12 is in the table of 3 and 18 is also in the table of 3. Then we can divide it 3 4 za, 3 6 za. Now 4 and 6. Now you can again short. You can see here 4 and 6 are coming in the table of 2. Then 2 2s are 2 3s are. Then short form of 12 by 18 is 2 by 3. Now take arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is the order from the smallest to the greatest. Now you have the numbers and you have to calculate from smallest to the greatest. Firstly, you can see all the denominators are here different. तो you cannot find here कैसे निकालेंगे हम. Firstly, we can take the LCM of denominator. This. Now this one is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 5 right here like this. 10 and 3 2s are. Now it's 2. 2 1s are. Now 5. Same here. 2 5s are. 2 1s are. Now all comes in 5 table. Then 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. Then LCM is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. This is the LCM of denominator. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Your LCM is 30. Now your LCM comes 30. Then you write 30 here, and in which table 6 5s are. Then multiply by 5 and 15 2s are. Then it is 2. 5 6s are. Then it is 6. 10 3s are. 3. 6 5s are. Multiply by 5. Then 4 5s are 20. 9 2s are 18. 2 6 are 12, 7 3s are 21, 1 5s are 5. Then you write 20 by 30, 18 by 30, 12 by 30, 21 by 30 and 5 by 30. Then you have to arrange in ascending order. That means from smallest to the greatest. The smallest is the 5, and then it is 12, then 18, then 20, then 21, then 5 by 30, then it's 12 by 30, then it's 18 by 30, then it's 20 by 30, then it's 21 by 30. Then you write in these. हमारा सबसे छोटा लास्ट वाला था. दैट मीन्स 1/6. देन हमारा 12. दैट मीन्स द मिडिल पार्ट. 2/5. देन इट्स 18. देन 9/15. देन इट्स 20. दैट मीन्स 4/6. देन इट्स 21. दैट इज 7/10. Now same here you can do. So guys, today we study ascending and descending order and fractions in the lowest form or reduced form, next in the next video we will study types of fractions and revision of the ascending and descending order. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.